Hello yogis, welcome to Yoga with Nivedita. So today I have decided that we should learn first few asanas, like how to do those asanas, because when we are doing a specific flow, and in that flow if those asanas are coming, we should be aware about alignment, our breathing, about our posture. So I have decided that every week I'll try to put one how to do sequence for asana. I hope it's going to be a little helpful for you. It's just a thought, so I'm going to start it with from today. So today we will try one or two asanas, maybe how to do. So shall we begin? Let's meet on the mat. Samkonasana. For Samkonasana, stand straight, core tight, thigh muscles tight, both feet together. So to learn how to do perfect Samkonasana, we will start with taking a support from a wall maybe, or door, और जो भी सामने ऐसी चीज़ दिखे जिससे सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं. जैसे मेरे सामने इस टाइम एक पेड़ है, तो put your both hands on that wall. Hand should be straight, and then from your hips bend forward. Keep your knee straight all the time. Try to keep your back also straight. अपने बटक्स को थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ पुश करना है, और अपने चेस्ट को थोड़ा नीचे की तरफ पुश करना है टू मेंटेन द स्ट्रेट लाइन. Push more. You have to do this practice daily. It will help you a lot in achieving the correct Samkona asana. Samkona asana means what? 90-degree angle. So now we will do Samkona asana. Stand with the feet together, core tight, and then from your hip again bend forward, pushing the buttocks out a little, keeping the legs straight. You can open your hand, or maybe you can join your hands in front of you. Keep the head, neck and spine in a straight line. Hold this position for up to 5 or 10 seconds till you are comfortable. Then slowly come back. And while coming back also, you have to come back from your hips. Now we will try it again with the help of wall. So this time you have to put your hands little above from your head line. तो आपके हाथ बिल्कुल 90 डिग्री में नहीं होंगे. You have to touch your elbow also on the wall, and then you have to push your body towards downside. और जब आप नीचे आते हैं उस टाइम आपको अपना ईदर चिन और फोरहेड, जो आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे, वो आपको वॉल से टच करना है. आफ्टर टचिंग दैट अगेन यू हैव टू पुश योर बैक towards the floor. Keep your hips up, knees straight, and push hard, and then slowly come back. अगर ये प्रैक्टिस आप रोज़ करते हैं, आपके स्पाइन में आप बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क देखेंगे. After doing this practice, again we will do Samkonasana. Stand with the feet together, arms by the side, and then bend forward. Keeping the legs straight until the back is horizontal and forms a right angle with the legs. Again, everything should be in a straight line. Fingers and hand pointing forward. Be in this position and then come to Padhastasana. Don't bend your knee. After Samkonasana, you have to do Padhastasana. It will release all the tensions in your back, and then slowly inhale up, exhale down, hands in front of your chest maybe, and then come to Samsthiti. Let's learn how to do Nataraj Asana next. For Nataraj Asana, come to the mat. Stand straight, both feet together. Be stable in your mind, your body, and focus on a fixed point. Keep your core tight. Inhale and exhale. Be aware. Now shift your whole body weight on right leg. Release your left leg and slowly hold it with your left hand from behind. Okay, if you are a beginner, so you can take support against a wall as well. We will see it later. अभी वापस मैट पर आते हैं. Now focusing on one point. Raise and bend your left knee. And hold the ankle with your left hand behind the body. Both knees together, maintaining the balance. Slowly raise and stretch left leg backwards, as high as it is comfortable. Reach upward and forward with left arm. Do not twist left hip. Keep it behind the body. Hold the position as long as you are comfortable. ये Lord Shiva का pose है, so feel strong. Now slowly come back. अभी सेम चीज हम अपोजिट लेग के साथ करेंगे. Again, find a point. Look at that point to maintain the balance. And slowly hold your body weight on your left leg. Now bend your right knee और अपने एंकल को राइट हैंड से पकड़कर अपने पैर को ऊपर की तरफ उठाना है. अपने लेफ्ट हैंड को आगे की तरफ बढ़ाते हुए उसको देखना है. हम जितना कंफर्टेबली अपने पैर को ऊपर उठा सकते हैं विदाउट ट्विस्टिंग योर हिप, उतना ऊपर लेकर जाना है. अपना नी स्ट्रेट रखेंगे अगर, तो आपको बैलेंस में बहुत हेल्प होगी. स्लोली वापस आ जाएंगे. अभी सेम चीज़ हम देखेंगे कि हम किसी वॉल का सपोर्ट लेकर कैसे कर सकते हैं. मेरे सामने एक ट्री है, मैं उस पर करके दिखाती हूँ. आप ट्री पर अपना हाथ रखें या वॉल पर अपना हाथ रखें और उसके बाद आप अपने लेग को स्ट्रेच करें ऊपर ले जाकर. आपका जो धड़ है वो नीचे ले जाने में उतना प्रयास ना लगाएं जितना आपको अपने पैर को स्ट्रेच करने पर ध्यान देना है. जब आप अपना बैक में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी महसूस करने लगे कि इनफ फ्लेक्सिबल है, उसके बाद मैट पर जाकर आप बैलेंसिंग के साथ उस पर प्रैक्टिस करें. उसके बाद इनहेल, हैंड्स अप. Exhale, hands in front of your chest, and then release, come to Samasthiti.
सो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आपको आज मेरा जो मैंने हाउ टू डू सीरीज़ शूट किया है वो आपको अच्छा लगा हो. अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई ऐसा आसन है जिसके बारे में आप जानना चाहते हैं कि उसको कैसे करना है, अबाउट द अलाइनमेंट, अबाउट द पॉस्चर, अबाउट द बेनिफिट्स, you can post on my comment section. Also, I'll try to make more videos on this every week. And if you like it, please like, share and subscribe. And there is this bell icon also. If you click on that that bell icon, every new video whenever I'm posting, you'll get the notification as well. So thank you for watching my video today, and keep smiling. See you.